So in February 2026, I decided to take myself for a short little photography adventure to the Baltic countries of Latvia and Estonia. I spent 6 days backpacking around, and this included a day in the Estonian capital of Tallinn. Here's how I got on. Well, good morning from Tallinn in Estonia. It is the 19th of February now, currently snowing, as you might be able to see. It's about -11 right now, I think, so pretty cold. Yesterday I got the bus up from Riga in Latvia, and I'm just going to be spending a couple of days here in Estonia, wandering around, seeing what there is to see. But for today, I'm going to be exploring the old town of Tallinn itself. So let's go and see. Okay, that is St. Nicholas Church. Let's go and see if it's open. Sorry, I'm not going in there. It's €15. That's quite a lot for a church. You know, I've seen a lot of churches in my time. They are good, but for €15, I'm not sure.
Hello!
Do something good. Do some skating. Can I get a ticket for everything, all of them?
Yeah. 16 euros.
Alright, let's go into the Kiek de Kok. That was really good actually. I was in there for about an hour and a half. So yeah, if you come to Tallinn, I definitely recommend going to see the Kiek de Kok Museum and getting the full ticket, because then you see all of the bastion passages, stone carved museum, and all of the towers basically. So definitely thoroughly recommend. Just one ticket, please.
There you go.
Okay, thank you.
Cool.
Okay, well I think that is just about it for today and for Tallinn Old City. I think I've seen just about as much as I can see in one day. It's been really good. It's been really good. I've really enjoyed it. But I'm absolutely knackered. So I think all that's left to do really is to just go and get some dinner because I am starving. Thanks for watching. I hope you did enjoy this episode. If you did, please let me know by subscribing below. It really helps the channel. Otherwise, hope to see you again soon.